or need a elastic that aside. In order to get your full pants together, you will be joining each of them from the crotch line down to the wideness of the leg. You do the same for the second one, and that is done. Then we'll be taking each of them right side facing each other. You might pin it if it is giving you a little problem, because mine is a bit shaking, so that is why I'll be pinning it. Then you will start the joining from the waist down to the other waist. I hope you get that. From that waist, from the starting down to the other end. And this will be giving us our full pants, and that is it. That aside, we'll be moving to the upper part, and here you just need to pipe in the rough edges by using the stripe we cut out from the fabric. And for that neckline where the rope is going to go inside, make sure you leave enough space for the rope. Make sure you leave enough space so that the rope will be able to go in freely without any stress. I'm going to be piping that in, leaving about 3/4 of an inch. It's not up to 1 inch. Just make sure your rope is not too big to make it look nice. Then I'm going to be piping that in now. You can make this, you can make it longer if you want, but actually I'm fine with this. I mean the jumpsuit. So I'm done and it is looking nice. So I'm piping in the rough edges. We are moving to where we'll be attaching our elastic now. So before that, I'll be sewing where my elastic will go in. There's no actual measurement for this since it is a free jumpsuit. You just need to make a room for the elastic. Just make a room. There's no actual measurement. I just make a room and I make sure that the elastic is stretchy enough. And that is two that I'll be attaching to my back. That aside, then I hope you know where we'll be joining that. The sides. Then I'll be pinning it to the sides. I'm basically showing here because I want you to get it very well. You'll be adding the elastic to the side. You do it to the other side too when you get there. The elastic is going to the back, so we are going to be adding each to the side, and that is it, and to the other one too. As you can see, I added it to the second one. Here you'll be leaving about half an inch in order for you to join it to your waist, to your pants. And I'll be adding my rope or stripe, anyone you call it, to the neckline, and that is done. So next we're going to be joining the two together. Our notch part, you're going to be adding it to the center of the pants, then sew it all around. After you've joined the upper part to the pants, you're going to achieve this. So the excess one, it is where the elastic is going to go in. In order to get that, you're going to take a rope or a stripe, anyone you call it, and sew it round like the way you pipe in your normal this thing. Then that is where you're going to be putting in your elastic. In this, for this dress, for this jumpsuit, you're going to be needing enough elastic in order to achieve this. And that is that, looking nice and lovely. And don't forget, the elastic is going to go round the pants. It's going to go round. That is how you're going to achieve this lovely shirt jumpsuits. You can actually make it longer if you wish, but mine is okay like this. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a subscribe, like and share. Thank you.